I head up our investment trust sales team, so essentially my role is to oversee the distribution strategy for the 10 investment trusts that sit within the BMO Global Asset Management stable. Across those 10 strategies, there's around 10 billion of assets under management. I've been with the business now for 5 years. Prior to that, I spent 10 years working at Schroders in different distribution roles. F&C Investment Trust is in fact the world's oldest investment trust, launched back in 1868. As such, we've been able to build up quite a distinguished track record, and with that we've managed to accumulate a fantastically broad shareholder base. In fact, as of today, we have well over 100,000 underlying investors who hold the portfolio. With it being globally diversified in nature, it appeals to investors from all walks of life, from those looking to adopt a long-term approach to investing, and we also have an enviable track record of growing the dividend over the last 48 years, so this also appeals to investors. F&C Investment Trust is a globally diversified portfolio. As such, the fund manager, Paul Niven, is seeking to invest in some of the best opportunities around the world. One of the highlights of the portfolio, and perhaps stands it apart from some of its peers, is its ability to take advantage of the closed-ended structure and as such invest in private markets. One of the classic examples of this would be our position in Facebook. We initially initiated a position in Facebook back in 2005 when Facebook was on the private markets and had a market cap of just $100 million. Over the past 15 years, we've been able to enjoy the journey as Facebook has gone from the private market to the public market and has made fantastic returns for our underlying clients. At the other end of the spectrum, however, it's important that this is very much a diversified portfolio, and we've invested in bellwether stocks such as Shell. Now, Shell, we initiated a position back in the 1920s, and we've got to enjoy excellent returns for our investors and seen good sustainable dividends coming from that company. Clearly, diversification is hugely important to our underlying client base, and we feel that by investing in various active strategies and blending these to the ever-changing trends around the world, we're able to provide smoother returns for our clients over the medium to long term, and we can demonstrate this with the track record we've developed. A globally diversified trust should appeal to any investor who's looking to invest over the longer term. Clearly, we're in a fast-changing world, and it's important that you're getting the expertise of fund management teams that are able to tilt their portfolio to adapt with these different trends we see around the world. We, interestingly, within the F&C Investment Trust, we have shareholders that have been within the portfolio invested for many decades. Whilst we've been able to deliver them strong returns and smoother returns, it's not been without bumps along the way. So being in a good globally diversified investment strategy should enable you to navigate these bumps and actually see consistent returns over the medium to long term. And that's what we seek to achieve with the F&C Investment Trust.